Okay, so today we're looking at how to order stuff online, okay, like food shopping. And at this time, when I'm making this video, we are all kind of quarantined. So this is a nice way to learn how to do like a Hanford to go order. So if you're just wondering what prices are on stuff before you go to a grocery store, this is how you would do it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to look up some items that I did. So what you guys are going to do is this. You can do this right on your Chromebook. I'm just going to show you on my phone. So you go to a Google toolbar and you type in, say, Hannaford. And then you press go. And then you scroll on your page. I'll put it in a little closer so you can see. And you're just going to scroll until you see where it says Hannaford Home, Hannaford. Okay, you see the little icon, and then you press that. And then it's going to bring you to this site right here on the phone. Okay? And time spots are limited. That makes sense. So we see this little button right here, and this is a search button. So we press it, and we type in the item we want. So I'm going to type in Hannaford because I want Hannaford milk, okay? Like Hannaford, the brand. And then I press search. It's going to pull up the style milk that you want, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to use the first ones that come up, okay? So for instance, we're going to use that as our price. So a half gallon is going to cost us $1.99. So I just wrote that down above, okay? And that's where I put it right up there. All right, so now we're going to look up Life cereal. So I press that button again. I delete what's there. And you guys are going to do this with items that I give you to make a salad. I put in Life cereal. And I press search. And it brings me up for $4.29. So I'm going to write that down because that's what I'm going to need to add up my prices after. Then I go to search again. I'm going to delete out what I put, and I'm going to put Italian bread. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm having toast and cereal. And my Italian bread is $2.49. Now, the easiest thing to do is just to look at the first one. But if you're truly shopping, there's lots of options. But we're just going with the first thing. Then, I'm going to do another search. Of course, I need to put Smucker's on it. Smucker's strawberry jam. You have to be very specific. Press search. And it comes up at $3.09. Now you're going to do the same thing. So if you lost track of what you had to do, you just go back and watch this YouTube video on how this is done. Okay? All right. So now I'm going to get my phone out of here and we're going to find out the price. And now if you needed more items or if you actually were shopping, you could stick them in the shopping cart and you could pick them up on a to-go order. Okay, but this right now is just showing prices so you know how much. If you wanted to add it to your cart, you simply go add to your cart and see how it says that there's one. If you look closely at my screen, it shows that there is one added to the cart, okay? All right, so now I'm going to move my phone out of the way and we're going to get right into the math part. Now remember, this is definitely something we add up on a calculator. So we're going to take those items and we're going to add them up. So we're going to take the $1.99. We're going to add it to the $4.29 and the $2.49 and the $3.09, and we're going to press enter. Now, $11.86. Now, there is no tax on food. So you don't, if it's a necessity kind of food, and everything I listed here is not a luxury, it's actually something that is a non-taxable item in the state of New York, that is. If you were to get soda or chips or something like that, that is not considered a necessity, so you would have to do the tax. If you had to do tax on that, you would just simply multiply it by the 0.08 like you learned before, but these are all non-taxable items, okay? So that is everything on how to do an order online. Not meant to be hard, just meant to be very simple. And as always, this is Mrs. Bobby, and I love math. Diagonal. CrossFit. And I miss all my students since we've been out and in quarantine.